Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So I can share different amazing table decoration ideas, table art painting, table art for kids, for animal and etc. You can see it is different shape of stone, square shape, circle shape, triangle shape and different beautiful and unique stone shape ideas. You can paint different colorful ideas and you can make for different toys for your kids, like elephant, like butterfly, different amazing table decoration ideas. And I have more different table decoration ideas, like you can decorate your garden, you can decorate your home, wall decoration ideas, different amazing stone art, rocks art, different mosques and etc. So please viewers, like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. And you guys know we can share different amazing table decoration ideas, and you can visit my YouTube channel. You can see different amazing stones art, rocks art. I can share different amazing paper craft videos, jute craft, large flowers and etc. So do not forget my YouTube channel and to watch my video, and please subscribe the Fun with Mimi. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.